In 2014, crime and mystery writer Joe Clifford edited and released Trouble in the Heartland, an anthology of 41 short stories inspired by Bruce Springsteen's songs, penned by a mix of established and emerging authors. Each contributor selected a Springsteen song title, which became the title of their story. To navigate copyright restrictions, writers were allowed to use the song titles but not the lyrics or plots. So instead of retelling Springsteen's narratives, the stories evoke the moods, emotions, and atmospheres found in his music. The collection amplifies recurring themes across Springsteen's work, often centered on crime, but more deeply capturing the iconic imagery of a gritty, worn-down America, populated by desperate people whose futures have been stolen, making risky choices or clinging to fading hopes. The settings include greasy diners, dilapidated housing projects, shuttered factories, and struggling farms. Some tales end with faint glimmers of hope, others in bleak despair. Some stick to realistic fiction, while others flirt with fantasy or sci-fi. Yet the unifying thread is the spirit of Springsteen's music, further underscored by Mark Krajnak's stark black and white photographs that punctuate the collection's raw resilience. With 41 stories, this summary can only touch on a few highlights. The opening story, Dennis Lehane's State Trooper, most closely mirrors the plot of its namesake song, following a desperate criminal on the run from the law. Jordan Harper's Prove It All Night recalls a woman's youthful crime spree with her boyfriend in Missouri, a past she escaped while he did not. Chris Leake's very brief Candy's Room reflects on a brief, intense relationship overshadowed by tragedy, a woman raped and murdered by a small-time criminal who later dies in a car crash. Lynn Barrett's Dancing in the Dark takes a lighter tone, exploring marital infidelity. Benoit Leliever's dark and unsettling Atlantic City features a young couple who discover a disturbing enjoyment in murder, moving from necessity to sport. Hilary Davidson's Hungry Heart intertwines a new romantic connection with the heavy shadow of a burdensome past. In Chuck Wendig's Queen of the Supermarket, a grocery shopper narrates his obsessive attempts, often extreme and unsettling, to brighten the life of his favorite checkout clerk. Chris F. Holmes' Mansion on the Hill offers a quieter reflection as an older man reminisces about past loves, holding his first love as the ideal. Todd Robinson's longer We Take Care of Our Own tells the tragic tale of an Afghan war veteran who survives combat only to be accidentally killed in a gang fight at home. Eric Beetner's Open All Night unfolds in a 24-hour diner where 5 people kill time plotting various crimes, with the narrative shifting among the characters and a weary waitress. Closing the collection, Richard Brewer's Last to Die depicts 3 desperate, hapless characters planning to rob a new, slightly upscale burger joint in their neighborhood. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.